Hi everyone. Today's security tip. Beware of malicious attachments with file names such as porno.exe, nude.exe, and so on. These types of files are commonly used in phishing scams to trick people into downloading malware onto their computers. Always be cautious of unexpected email attachments, especially ones with provocative or suspicious names, and never open attachments from unknown senders. The attackers often use provocative names to increase the likelihood of the email being opened and the attachment being downloaded. If you do need to open the attachment from an unknown source, it's best to scan it with antivirus software before opening. Please follow these tips and be secured online. Thank you.